What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking play, but if you've already subscribed, thank you guys for coming back. I've got an exciting 4-part series on how to seriously grow a car YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about the first 5, and I know what you guys are thinking. You guys are thinking, what's a guy with 540, 550 subscribers going to teach me about how to grow a car YouTube channel? Well, I'll tell you one thing, I am a consumer of YouTube just as much as I am a producer, and I know what good content is. Sometimes I'll sit there and watch other people's video, and it really bothers me just because they're making some major mistakes that I think are costing them a lot of money as far as growing their YouTube channel, but also just keeping people glued to the screen and excited to watch their content. So let's dive down into the first 5 steps in this 4-part series. Number 1 is get to the point. This is by far the most important tip you can give any YouTuber or anybody who's looking to start out their YouTube channel. You need to have a plan and execute it well. If I come to your video to watch a Ferrari F50 do a top speed run and you spend the first 5 minutes talking about your apartment or your cat, I'm going to be frustrated that you've wasted my time, and I don't like it when people waste my time. I want to be relayed the information or the excitement as soon as possible, and I promise you a lot of other people feel the same way. Even the biggest YouTubers now can sometimes be so boring because they spend all of their time talking about their merchandise or some new thing that they've purchased that doesn't even relate to the video. So have a plan, execute it, get to the point, and I promise you your subscribers are going to go up and people are going to enjoy watching your content. Number 2, personally ask your friends and family to subscribe to your channel. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. You guys are thinking I need to grow my channel as fast as possible, and how can I do that? Well, I'll tell you the number 1 way not to do it is to post it on your Instagram story or your Facebook story and expect an actual decent response or conversion rate. If you really want to grow your channel, which trust me, your first 40 subscribers is huge because it can lead to your first 100 views or so on your channel. If I were you, I would personally message everyone and say, hey, look, I'm starting my own YouTube channel. It's, it could be about my car, or it could be I'm trying to get into the car market, or I like cars, you know what I mean? And it's completely free, doesn't cost anything to subscribe. And it would mean a lot to me if you would subscribe to my channel. I promise you your conversion rate is going to be a lot higher doing it that way than posting it 35 times to your story to all 600 people that follow you or 6,000 people that follow you and expect an actual high number to convert. So personally reach out to your friends and family, and I promise you those first 40 subscribers or those first 500 to 1,000 views on your channel is going to help you out, and it's going to help you gain credibility when it comes to somebody new watching your content. Number 3 is be searchable. I know some of you guys aren't going to understand what I'm talking about here, so I'll explain it a little bit better. Google and YouTube are both search engines, and people come to these platforms to search things. And I think too many times people publish a video and they title it, oh my gosh, you won't believe it happened, or this stinks, or I didn't see this coming, and people don't search for these things. So if you're confused on why some of your videos don't get any views or nobody sees them, is because they are titled very, very poorly, and there's no way the search engine is going to pick these up. So I'll give an example of my own where I've learned this lesson. Is I had a video called Rabbit in My Radiator, and nobody viewed it. And I was like, what the heck? This is a great video. Why is nobody viewing my video? And it's because nobody searches for Rabbit in My Radiator. So I changed the title of the video to match a few different keywords that I was looking for. So I titled my video, More C7Z06 Problems, You Won't Believe What Happened. And my video took off. It quickly became one of my most popular videos because it is a problem that I had a rabbit in my radiator, but that wasn't my title. And I think many people fall into this problem where they feel like they should emulate the big time YouTubers that can get away with this because they have the following. But if you don't have the following, you've got to make sure all of your videos are optimized the best for search. So let's move on to number 4. So number 4 is take off your sunglasses and talk to the camera. I know a lot of you guys, maybe you think you're ugly, maybe you think that your lazy eye or whatever you have is a problem, but I'm telling you, people come to YouTube for the digital connection. Yes, it's digital, but yes, I would like to make eye contact with you and feel and grow that relationship. I don't want this to sound weird or anything, but I promise it makes a whole lot more of a difference when you actually feel like you're communicating with someone. Even if you're just listening, but if you can listen and get their eye contact, it's huge. And it seems like they're being attentive to you, the listener. So if I started talking to you like this and I was driving around with my sunglasses on and not paying attention to you, you might feel different. But if I'm sitting here like I'm talking to you across from you in your living room, it's gonna feel a whole lot more, you're gonna feel a whole lot more connected, and I promise you that's gonna increase your channel's growth. People are gonna like your content more, and they really are gonna feel like they're developing a relationship with you, and that's what's most important on YouTube. Number 5, do not worry about the length of your videos. Honestly, it is super frustrating seeing all of these people try to emulate these big-time YouTubers and try to reach this magical 10-minute mark, or this 12-minute mark, or this 8-minute mark, whenever you have the opportunity to place 4 ads on your videos. Look, if you're just starting out, you are a long ways away from being monetized. So do not make every video with the intention of, I gotta make as much money as possible, because not every video or not every topic warrants 10 minutes of video. So just keep in mind that if you're doing everything correctly and you have 10 minutes worth of great content, that's awesome. But if you're sitting there trying to stretch a 2-minute video into 10 minutes, 20 minutes, you're gonna be wasting a lot of people's time or lingering. And I promise you, even if your content is sweet, but it doesn't get to the point, it doesn't bring the topic across, people are just not gonna watch your video. And I promise you, it's better to have a short video with a higher retention rate than a long video with an awful retention rate. YouTube takes every single piece of data possible and throws that out there to everybody. And I promise you that if you just do your videos short and sweet, people are gonna love the content a whole lot more. So thank you guys for watching the first 5 tips in the first part of this 4-part series. I want to let you guys know that I'm grateful for all of you guys. If you guys are new to the channel, please leave me a comment, like, or subscribe. And to all my returning people, thank you guys so much for supporting me and helping my channel grow. I hope you guys can stay tuned for part 2 on how to seriously grow your car's YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.